Hey cruisers, welcome to our stateroom number 6278. We're currently aboard the Carnival Panorama on a 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise out of Long Beach, California. Today, we're going to show you around our stateroom, so let's check it out. So behind us, we have our king-size bed, which is actually 2 twin beds pushed together. We have 2 nightstands, 1 on each side, a lamp on each side. We have a couch right here that can turn into a bed. Right now, it's just the 3 of us. It's Justin, myself, and our daughter, Madison. We are co-sleeping, so we don't need this turned into a bed. But above us, there is an upper Pullman that can be brought down to make another bed with a ladder. So we do have that option, but we told our stateroom steward we didn't need it. We have our over the door, not really over the door, but our wall organizer held up by magnetic hooks. And this is holding all of our gadgets, Madison's toys. So it's definitely keeping us organized because all of this stuff would be everywhere, taking up precious counter space, floor space, whatever. It has a place for itself right here. The walls are magnetic, so we brought along some toys that are magnetic as well, and Madison can play with them. We have our vanity, and there's a nice big mirror for us ladies to get ready in. In this cabinet, we have our refrigerator. Right now we have some seltzers and water bottles, although truthfully it's like not even doing anything. It's just like a cooler, but not a very good one. There is a drawer right here. It has the blow dryer that comes in the room and a really tiny space for something really small, which we haven't used yet. So we have 3 shelves, and this is our first full day at sea. So we have 1 towel animal so far, and we put it way up here so our toddler won't grab it and destroy it. We're gonna attempt to collect them, but throughout our cruise, but who knows if we will. So up here we put our champagne and wine and shot glasses and just other little things that can just get organized off to the side. We have our stateroom phone. This is nice because it's a semi-newer ship than our last cruise. If you saw our Carnival Spirit tour, it has 2 USB spots, and there's actually 2 120 volts, which our last cruise, which is a really old ship, only had 1. We did bring along our wall outlet with extra plugs, so that's plugged in if we want to, plug in more items at once. We have our clock to stay on ship time, and then over here is the light to control the vanity light, as well as a 230 volt for those foreign adapters. The room comes with a coffee table, but to give more floor space, we've pushed the coffee table underneath the vanity, and the stool that technically goes under the vanity is just pushed off to the side. So as you can see, just more walking space is super nice. The life jackets are stored under the bed, and there's also plenty of space to store your suitcases. So here is our TV. Was this like a 45-inch? I don't know.
No, it's really small, but
not a 55, that's for sure.
We don't use it.
Maybe it's 45. We have some more of our magnetic hooks over here holding up our daughter's jackets because they're super light, and hats, of course. Here is our nice big wall and door to go out onto our balcony. Let me show you the curtain. So it does provide a good amount of darkness. So if we want to take our midday nap or at night, whatever, it provides a good amount of darkness. So I'll open this back up. Okay, let's take you out onto the balcony. So there is 1 lock way up here and no locks down here, so our daughter cannot reach this. So I'll take you out. There's a small table and 2 chairs to sit on and enjoy the views. And of course, we made sure to check the smoking sections on our ship so that we would not get a balcony that would be inside of the smoking area, so we can enjoy our balcony without smelling smoke. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. So one thing to note with balcony doors, don't let them slam because your neighbors will not appreciate the slamming. So, gently close it. I'll take you over to our closets. We have 3 of them. So in door number 1, we have a bunch of shelves and drawers, as well as our safe. So the safe is right here. In the shelves, we put some jewelry, laptop, camera equipment, some of the drinks that we brought in. And then the shelf down here, as well as these drawers, have our clothing items. So of course we have our packing cubes, which we don't unpack all of them. We have a drawer for Madison, a drawer for me, and a drawer for Justin. As you can see, he did not unpack. He just went and grabbed his compression cube and threw it in there. So in this closet, Justin has his compression cubes. Again, he didn't really unpack all his shorts. We did bring along a little like puddle jumper, life jacket for Madison for her, when we go off into port if she's doing any pool or beach swimming. And then our hamper and some shoes down there. And there is a little rail right here, so if we wanted to hang things, which we don't need to, we have that option. In this third closet is where we've hung up everything because we have the ceiling to floor space. So we have our backpack and a bunch of shoes, and anything that we actually did want to hang up is hanging. So here's our mirror. It looks a little dirty. I don't think our steward cleaned that. So we also have magnetic hooks right here, which are holding up our lanyards. They're right by the door, so hopefully we don't forget them as we're heading out. Your sail and sign card is your room key. It actually also controls the lights, which we have Madison's sitting in here for now since she doesn't need her sail and sign card. It's your form of payment, and it's your access to get off and on the ship.
So you have to have the card in here for the lights to work. And this is the thermostat for the room. It works really well. I clicked it up a few clicks to the warm side and it got really hot in here. And then a few clicks down on the cool side and it got really cold. So you just got to find the right balance.
So here we have one hook that actually came with the room, and we're just using it to hold up our beach bag. We're about to go in the bathroom, and here's the light to get into the bathroom. So this door has 3 hooks, and it's holding up our toiletry bag, which is mostly already emptied out, and I'll show you. So here's our bathroom. We have nice shelving on each side, so all of our toiletries are mostly unpacked, makeup, hair appliances. We have some counter space, our daughter's collapsible toilet seat, a tissue box, garbage can, and extra random little shelves for extra toilet paper or tissue boxes. We got all of our bath towels and washcloths here. Oh, there's a nice little mirror right here for us to get ready in. We have our shower right here, and it gets really, really hot. There's extra shelf for, putting your toiletries, your bath products in there. The shower does come with shampoo and shower gel, which we don't really use. We bring our own. So this also comes down if you wanted to just hold it. So, or if you're bathing a little one, you can. I'll put that back. And there is a clothesline right here. So this comes in handy to hang up your bathing suits that may be wet. Definitely utilize your clothesline. And here's the shower curtain. So you do have a nice little space to take a shower. So as you can see, we have our hallway, 3 closets, bathroom, couch, vanity, bed, TV, and our balcony. So it's a pretty decent sized space. We have the 3 of us, Justin, myself, and our daughter Madison. My sister is also traveling with her family of 5, and they're in the exact same size stateroom, and they said it was pretty comfortable. So as you can see, this size stateroom can fit 1 person, it can fit 5 people comfortably, whatever it may be. So this wraps up our stateroom tour on the Carnival Panorama. We hope you enjoyed our video. And if you are sailing on her soon, please comment down below and let us know when. If you enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But for now, we're gonna say goodbye and walk you out. Oh, and one more thing. We decorated our door, of course. Take a look on your way out.
See ya. Okay, let me in.
We did bring along our, what's this called? And then here's the bathroom. The light is outside, so I'll turn that on. Oh, I guess I didn't. Oh, cut. Just kidding. What's this called? handle.
A handle.
This shower, what's this called? The nozzle?
I don't know.
So you could also take this down if you want to hold your shower thing. What's this called? A